Welcome back. We're just gonna jump right into it. So first thing is to use the right product. And here I'm using Magic Finger Studio as my right product. And also the comb that I'm using is from Magic Studio as well. Why am I saying Magic Studio? Magic Fingers. Magic Fingers. And this comb helps with the precision. Your tool matters. That is the number one tip and trick for this. Okay, this is the tip. And you want to part it right. You want to take your time, part it clean, go back in. Yeah, at least if it's your first time or you're learning, part it clean. If you don't want the hair to be snagging at the back, make sure you braid it down like I just did for her. Braid, give it 2 braids at the back. Here I'm going in with the stitch. You want to slow down. Okay, your first line, at least braid it 2 to 3 times. The first cornrows in the front, the first set that you pick before you start adding on hair. So slow down is the other tip. Slow down, take your time, braid it 2 to 3 times, then start adding hair, because by then your hair will not slide back, the cornrow will not look wobbly from the beginning. Okay, because you already got that grip going for you. So yes, take your time and just pull and slice and then out the hair. Okay, take your time, and here just have fun with your client. This is my daughter and we having lots of fun whenever we're doing hair. This is another trick. Okay, if you don't have a roller set or rod set, you see what I'm doing there? I'm gonna show you one more time. You're gonna take an the extension hair that you're using. You're gonna wrap it around that hair loosely, not tightly. You're gonna wrap it, give it space loosely, and at the end you tie it. So I'm gonna show you again. Take that hair, the extra hair, put it on the hair. Doesn't matter the amount, but not too much. And then wrap tight 2 to 3 times the same place. Then start loosely going all the way to the end. Loosely is the point. Then you just pull on the one that you're tying with and just pull it up. I hope you got that. Just pull it up and tie it, make a knot at the end. That's it. And you can dip it in your hot water. As you can see, I'm trimming around the ends where the extension hair be coming out, where it gets frizzy. Not the hair of the client. We're not cutting the client's hair. We're just going to be doing it right. And then I forgot to show you the magic fingers mousse that I used before wrapping down our hair, right? This is not a tutorial about the hair. This is just some tips and some tricks here for a neat braid, especially stitch braids. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in hot water. Dip, dip, dip. Be careful with the client's hair. Yes. Dip it in the hot water. Have your towel ready. Also put a towel on the client's neck. Here you can see I'm not using hot. I'm using cold because I want the curves to set in what I've already tied. So I'm just using cold. But on the hair itself, I'm going to use warm. Not hot, warm. Okay, so that the mousse and everything can merge together, melt together, give it its most moisture, melt all the product in there while it's slicking down. All the freezes can go away because that's what we use the mousse for moisture and to help with any little frizz that might be left. Okay, now we're ready to take it out. Take it out gently as well. Okay, don't just knock it off. We want to be gentle. Anytime you're doing your client's hair, it should be a spa day, okay? Let them enjoy the moment. And here I'm just snapping off the one that I tied it with, not the actual hair. The one that I tied it with, you can either do it in the middle or cut it at the end, just like this. And that's it. Cut where you knot it, and there you go, you have the curves. There's the curls at the bottom. The hair is neat because they trim. We use the mousse to take away any form of freezes. We took our time with the stitches. You know, you gotta take care of your edges. And here I'm just spraying some oil sheen on it. You know, we need some sheen, but don't forget the scalp itself, okay? We need the hair to have its oil. So here I'm using the Gloriously Crowned oil from my brand, which you could get at Gloriously Crowned. So you can use this as a maintenance, right? Throughout the week. She should have this hair for about 2 to 3 weeks. There's no snagging at the back, at the nape of her head, because we did those 2 braids at the nape of her hair. You could do 2 to 4 depending on how white the nape is. But she got small little head. And here's my baby's hair. She love it. She's feeling herself. Okay. And this should be good for 2 to 3 weeks. Wait, did you subscribe yet? Give this a thumbs up if my baby is cute. Okay, just for my baby, not for me, just for my baby girl, my model for today. Give this a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and the notification. You can see my other baby running in the background. We just have fun doing hair, okay?